Let's work on this. It says we should simplify this. Leave your answer in the form, that is, this form. Very important to follow the question. That is, we know you can do it, but don't just do it. Your answer must be in this form. Let's see. The first thing we must do is to always rationalize the denominator, okay? That is to say, the square root of 75 minus 3 all over square root of 3 plus 1. You multiply the numerator by the conjugate of that is the square root of 3 minus 1 all over the square root of 3 minus 1. Okay? This is a conjugate of this. By putting this and this now, it means you are not changing the original question because these two can still strike out to have 1. 1 multiplied by this still remain the same. What this is going to help us to do is just to remove this sword from the denominator because we don't want sword at the denominator, okay? So how do we go about this now? We simply do this all over the same thing here. Okay, now we can multiply this and this. That is to say, 75 multiplied by 3. That is 225. Square root of 225. Then this multiplied by this is minus square root of 75. This multiplied by this is 3 square root of 3. This multiplied by this is plus 3. All over. We take one of these, we square it. We take one again, we square it. Because this and this are the same, the only difference is what? The plus. We have explained the reason for this in many videos, okay? Now, what is the meaning of the square root of 225? You agree with me, it's 15. What is the meaning of 75? 75 means what? 25 multiplied by 3. Okay? This will still remain the same. And this will still remain the same. This and this will strike out to have 3. This is still 1. Okay? 15 plus 3 is what? That is 18. This will give us the square root of 25 multiplied by square root of 3. You can expand them like this. Minus 3 square root of 3 all over 2. Okay? Equals to 18 minus. What is the square root of 25? That is 5. Multiply by square root of 3 minus 3 square root of 3 all over 2. Now we have 18. This can also be written as 5 square root of 3 minus 3 square root of 3 all over 2. What is the meaning of this? Minus 5 minus 3, because this and this are the same. That is minus 8. 18 minus 8 square root of 3 all over 2. All we need to do now is to say 18 over 2 minus 8 over 2. Square root of 3. This and this will give us 9. This will give us 4. Okay? That is 9 minus 4 square root of 3. Okay? Are you agree with me? Is in the format we are asked to put it. That is the format of a rational number on its own, a rational number, and the square root of a rational number. That is what we have done. That is rational number, square root of a rational number. But as you can see, we have minus here. That sign doesn't matter. So people might be thinking, but there is plus here. We have minus there. No difference. Okay? We are in line. Okay? We are very, very correct. Okay? Don't allow this plus to deceive you. If you have plus, you have minus, it doesn't matter. Okay? Hope this understood. Thank you for viewing.